Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous lessons we learned about creating bucket in AWS using the S3 service, and we also learned about various rules and parameters for creating the service. We also checked in our practical session how we uploaded the PDF and other objects and made those objects accessible globally by making certain settings in our bucket. If you have not watched that session, I recommend that you go ahead and watch that. This will be displayed in the end of this video, or you can also access the video from the description link. Now, coming back to our second series of session, here we are going to learn how to enable bucket versioning. Now, why do we need a bucket versioning, and what is bucket versioning? Versioning is a means of keeping multiple variants of an object in the same bucket. This can help you in two ways. One, you can maintain an audit of all the documents that is uploaded, and then also it can also prevent of accidentally deleting of object from the user, because this provisions you to retrieve those documents if it is deleted by the user. So let's go ahead in the hands-on session and see how do we enable and how do you see multiple versions of the document. So guys, we are in the console now. I've already logged into my AWS console, and in the previous session we created the bucket called Digital TechJoint bucket, that is DTJ bucket, and inside the bucket we already have one document folder and two documents. Now, in order to show enable versioning, I will show you two use cases. One is that we are going to upload a Word document and we are going to make changes to the document, and we'll see how the versioning is maintained. Second use case where we are going to delete an object and then retrieve it by using the version control tool. So now, in order to enable versioning, you need to go to bucket, select the bucket, go to the property, and then there's an option called bucket versioning. Click on edit and say enable. So it says after enabling bucket versioning, you might need to update your lifecycle rules to manage previous version of objects. So this is for the rules and provisions for documents that are already uploaded. In this demo, we are going to show you for documents that we will be uploading and managing after we enable the versioning. So click on save, and it successfully enabled versioning. Now we will go to the bucket and upload our document. So I will go inside the documents folder and I'll upload one Word document. I click on upload, add files, and here is a Word document, that is an article that I wrote for my website digitaltechjoint.com. So this is the article which is 912 KB, and I'm going to upload it. Now once I upload it, the files get successfully uploaded, and I can see that within the folder, that is documents, I can see the file over here. Now if there's an option called show version, if I toggle it on the right hand side, I can see there's only one version of this document. Now we'll remove this toggle and go back to a disable mode and make some changes to our Word document. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the directory where I have this file, and I'm going to open the document and make some changes. So here is an article that I have written, and I'm going to make some changes over here by adding version 1.0, and then I'm going to save it and upload the same document again. So I'm not going to change any file name or something, and I'm simply going to upload this document. Click on upload and select the file, and I click on upload. So the same file is uploaded it. Now I go back to my Word document again and upload the same file. So I'm going to back to my document and I'm going to make the changes in the document, and I'm going to say version 2.0. I click on save, and I'm going to upload the same file again. So inside the bucket, inside the documents, and I'm going to click on upload, add files, and I'm going to select the same file without changing any extension or the name and upload. Now there are 2-3 versions that I've uploaded. Now in order to see the different version, you just have to toggle the show version, and then you will be able to see that all these different versions have been created and saved in document. So if you look at this, if you click on this document, the previous one, and you click on this download, I'm just going to open this document from the AWS console, and I see that this is the original document where I have not mentioned the version number. And if I go back and click on show version, and then I select the second one, then and click on download, and I'll be able to see where I have added the version 1.0. You see, look at this document, and you can see it is added the 1.0. And the latest document that you are able to see, which is on the top of the hierarchy, is the one where I have mentioned version 2.0. So you can see this is how AWS automatically manages versioning. Now we'll go and see another test case where I'm going to delete a file, and then I'll be able to retrieve it. So in my folder, in my Digital TechJoint bucket folder, there are folders and files. So there's a file object called tree. I select that and I delete. So once I click on delete, it will prompt me for a confirmation. As I click on delete, and I say delete object. Now once I accidentally, or user deletes accidentally or knowingly, and they want to retrieve it back, you just have to toggle this show versions, and here you can see under the tree you can see a type as delete marker. This means that this file is already deleted, and that is why within the tree structure you can see the version ID is null, and it also tells you when was it last modified. Now in order to retrieve this file, what you can do is you can just select that file, okay, which is deleted, and then you can download it and re-upload it back. So here is the image that we are able to see. So this is how you can retrieve the deleted files by using the option versioning. So I hope you understood the concept, and I have shown you in the hands-on session how you can manage your versioning by enable versioning in your bucket. In the next lesson, we are going to learn how to make your S3 bucket a hostable sort of a virtual folder where you can host your static website. So in order to do that, you need to create a bucket and enable it as a option for hosting static website. You will see we'll create certain HTML files and upload it and see things in action. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, like, and share my channel links to your friends. Thank you very much.